Sanserve Janitorial offers a wide range of specialized cleaning services tailored to various industries. With a commitment to excellence and decades of experience, we take pride in delivering top-notch janitorial solutions to meet your specific needs. Here's a brief overview of our services. Commercial janitorial services, ideal for commercial businesses, retail spaces, and industrial settings. Personalized cleaning solutions designed for your unique requirements. Highly trained staff dedicated to maintaining cleanliness and hygiene. Regular quality inspections to ensure exceptional service. Executive janitorial services. Customizable solutions for retailers, corporate headquarters, and multi-store locations. Comprehensive services including day porters, carpet cleaning, floor maintenance, and more. Attention to detail and safety standards are our top priorities. Let us handle all your corporate janitorial needs efficiently. Medical janitorial services. Over 30 years of experience in serving medical centers and hospitals. Unmatched commitment to safety and responsibility. Compliance with Joint Commission and other regulatory requirements. Tailored solutions for hospitals, clinics, labs, and healthcare facilities. Industrial janitorial services. Leaders in industrial and refinery janitorial services for over 50 years. Specialized training for staff in refinery and petrochemical settings. Strict adherence to safety and industry regulations. Customized solutions to meet the unique needs of industrial facilities. In each category, Sanserve Janitorial focuses on providing reliable, high-quality services that ensure the cleanliness and safety of your space. We understand the diverse demands of different industries and work closely with our clients to deliver the best possible janitorial solutions. For more details or to request a quick quote, please visit our website. Sanserve Janitorial is dedicated to making your workspace clean, safe, and comfortable.